In this video, we will show you how to import predefined exchange settings, required for e-posting processes. The exchange settings define how data from eInvoices is mapped to received invoices in Pantheon. Each PDF parsing option requires its own exchange settings. Let's look at an example. As the company's authorized person, the administrator wishes to download exchange registers from the web service. To do that, they click the Import/Export button in the exchange register form. Next, they define the download criteria and start the download by clicking the button Transfer from Server. They have two options: the exchange register for importing e-invoices summarized by tax rates, and the exchange register for importing e-invoice detailed by line items. Clicking the button Transfer into Register will complete the import of predefined exchange settings. Finally, the administrator reviews the downloaded exchange registers. The difference between the two registers is the data type, while the data in the invoice header is the same in both. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.